Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 8th class assignment number 44. Topic is on matrices children. So first one is we need to find out its determinant. Okay. So first one is y plus z into determinant of, leave these two, z plus x and y and z and x plus y. Okay, again minus second one is x into, again leave this row and this row, this column, then y z x plus y, z x plus y. Okay, plus x into, third one, x into, leave this row and this column, then y z plus x. Okay, y z plus x, z z. So this is the way to get the determinant children. Now if you see here, y plus z into, this is z plus x into x plus y. That means zx plus zy, zx plus zy plus x square, okay, plus xy, right, minus yz. Okay, next minus x into, again y into x plus y, y into x, yx plus y into y, y square, minus y into z, yz. Okay, next plus x into, okay, y into z, yz. Okay, minus z into z, z square, minus z into x, zx. Okay children, now this is y into zx, xyz. Okay, plus z into plus zy minus zy cancel, so y into x square y. Okay, so plus z into xy, xyz. So y into zx, y into x square, y into xy, y into x square, yx square, okay, and y into xy, xy square also there. Okay, again I am telling y into zx, yz, xyz, y into x square, yx square, y into xy, xy square. Now z into zx, z into zx, z square x. Okay, next z into x square, zx square. Okay, z into xy, xyz already I wrote here, then yz getting cancelled, so this is completed. Minus x into yx, so this is x square y, minus x into y square, xy square, minus into minus, plus x into yz, xyz, plus x into yz, xyz, minus x into z square, minus z into x square. So if you see here, plus x square y, minus x square y getting cancelled, plus xy square, minus xy square getting cancelled, plus z square x, zx square, minus zx square cancel, plus z square x, minus z square x cancel. So all are getting except xyz, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 xyz's are there. So what is the determinant of this matrix? It is given in the second option children. It is given in the second option. Okay, our next question. If A, B, C are different, means unequal values, that means A not equal to B not equal to C. Okay, then what is the determinant of this matrix? Okay, now see here, A into 2 by 2 matrix, leave this row and this column, then B square, B cube minus 1, then this is c square c cube minus 1. Next, minus a square then into, after you leave the first row and second column, then this is b cube minus 1, okay, and b cube minus 1. You are leaving this b cube minus 1, c cube minus 1, c cube minus 1, okay. Then after a square, then this is a cube minus 1 into, our next thing is leave first row and third column, then this is b square and c square, okay. Now if you see this, children, 2 by 2 matrix determinant, this is b square into c cube minus 1, that means b square c cube minus b square into 1 b square. Next, this is minus of c square into b cube minus 1, that means minus c square into b cube. So minus of minus plus c square into 1 c square, okay. Then this is over. Again I am telling, minus c square into b cube, minus into minus plus c square into 1. Now again minus of a square into, this is b into c cube minus 1, children, b into c cube, bc cube minus b into 1 b, again minus c into b cube, okay, and then minus into minus plus c. Next, plus a cube minus 1 into, then b into c square, bc square minus c into b square, b square c. So this is the process of finding 2 by 2 determinants, children. After that, we should multiply everything. A into b square c cube minus a into b square ab square minus a into b cube a into b cube c square plus a into c square ac square, okay. Next, minus a square into b into c cube minus into minus plus a square into b minus into minus plus a square into b cube into c minus into plus minus a square into c, okay. Next, a cube into this plus a cube into bc square minus a cube into b square c, next minus bc square plus b square c. So okay, this is the product, children. Now if you see this, a 1 time, b 2 times, c 3 times, do we have anywhere? Of course, finally they given this determinant becomes 0, they given that this determinant becomes 0. So this is equal to 0, so this is equal to 0. Now we will do one thing. Let us common ABC. Here ABC terms, here ABC terms, here ABC terms, here ABC, here ABC, here ABC. So if you common ABC here, then A 1 time, B 1 time, okay. Out of 3, this is BC square. Next, A taken out, B 2 times, then C 1 time, okay. Next here, minus A 1 time, B already taken out, then C 2 times. Next here, A 1 time, out of the 3, if you take 1 2 times, then this is C, already you taken out. Next again ABC, so this is A 2 times, B already taken out, then C out of 2 1 if you take, then again this is A 2 times, B 1 time, C already taken out, then this is after you common ABC from all the terms where ABC is involved. So after that, this is minus AB square, this is plus AB square. If you see these terms, okay, see here A B square, okay. If you take plus B square C, Okay, next minus b square c, this is b square c. Okay, then you common minus here. If you common minus, then this is b one time, c two times. Next, this is minus b two times, c one time. So after that, a one times c, yes, as it is minus, if you common, then this is, okay, a one times c two times. Okay, then ab square, where it is there here. If you common minus, so a two times, b one time, then a square b. Then this is a square b. Okay, is equal to 0. If you see clearly, this term and this term is common. So when you take this entire term is considered as y, say for example abc into y minus y is equal to 0. Then if you common y, then abc minus 1 is equal to 0. So from the property of 0 property, this is y is equal to 0 or abc minus 1 is equal to 0. So from that we can say abc is equal to 1. We can say abc is equal to 1. Okay children, so this is there in the second option. This is there in the second option children. So our next question is, see that determinant of this matrix, given that it is equal to 0. So 1 into 2 by 2 matrix, leave this row, column and this row, then this is 3x, 5x, 3, 4 minus x into, again leave this column and this row, then 1, 5x, 1, 4, then plus third one is 2x, then you leave this row and this column, then 1, 3x, okay, 1, 3 is equal to 0. This is given. Now, so this is 1 into something, okay, 3x into 4, 12x, minus 3 5s are 15x, okay, minus x into cross multiplication, 4 1s are 5 1s are 5x, okay, plus 2x into 3 1s are minus 3 into 1x, 3x is equal to 0. Now this is 12x minus 15x minus 3x, okay, then minus 4x plus 5x square, okay, plus 6x minus 2 3s are 6x minus 6x square is equal to 0. Okay, now if you see here, once again minus 3x minus 4x plus 5x square plus 6x minus 6x square. Now if you simplify the x terms, this is plus 6x minus 7x, so minus x, this is minus x square is equal to 0. Okay, if you common x, then minus 1 minus x is equal to 0. So from the concept of 0 property, x equal to 0 or minus 1 is minus 1 minus x equal to 0. From that minus 1 is equal to x, therefore x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Actually children, they given that x not equal to 0. So, but x equal to 0. So since x not equal to 0, we cannot consider this value as x. So what is the value of x? It is equal to minus 1. It is there in the second option children. Okay. So our next question. Again, A, B, C are different. That means A not equal to B not equal to C. Then if the determinant of this matrix is 0, then what is the value of x? see this 0 into, for our understanding generally, if it is 0 into means actually we need not to write this. Okay, leave the first row and first column, then 0, this is x minus c, and this is 0, x minus c, x plus c, and this is 0. Okay, then minus of x minus a into, again, so leave the first row and the second column, then x plus a, this is x plus b, then this is x minus c, 0, then plus third one is x minus b into, again leave the first row and the third column, x plus a, 0, next x plus b, x plus c, x plus b, x plus c is equal to 0. This is given. Now, okay, 0 into something, 0, right, minus x minus a into, okay. Now, as it is 2 by 2 matrix, go for cross multiplication. 0 times of x plus a, 0, then minus of, okay, x plus b into x minus c, right. Next, plus x minus b into, again 2 by 2 matrices, this is x plus a into x plus c, minus 0 times it is 0, okay, is equal to 0. Now, this is not required, so x minus a into 0 not required, then minus into minus plus, okay, x minus a into, we should take this, let us multiply x plus b into x minus c, x square minus xc plus bx minus bc, okay, plus x minus b into, again let us multiply these two, x into x square, x into c, plus a into x plus a into c is equal to 0. Okay children, now this is x into x square, x cube, minus x into xc, x square c, plus x into b, bx square, minus x into bc, minus x bc, okay, minus a into x square, minus ax square, minus into minus plus a into cx, acx, minus into minus, okay, minus into plus minus a into bx, abx, a into bx, abx, minus into minus plus a into bc, abc, okay. Next, plus again x into x square, x cube, again plus x into xc, x square c, next x into ax, ax square, next x into ac, xac, okay. Next, minus b into x square, bx square, minus b into cx, bcx, okay, minus b into ax, abx, minus into plus minus a into bc, abc, okay children, equal to 0. Here if you see, plus abc minus abc getting cancelled, plus abc minus abc getting cancelled, then here we have minus x square c plus x square c also getting cancelled, okay, and then minus xbc, this is minus xbc, here it is minus xbc, it is not cancelled, and this is x square b plus x square b minus x square b getting cancelled, and then this is, okay, this is not cancelled, and minus abx, okay, acx also not cancelled, minus bcx also not cancelled. So remaining terms, x cube we have 1, here 1, totally we have 2 terms, so 2x cube, okay, and then minus 2x bc, okay, and then minus 2abx minus 2abx, okay, and then minus 2cax, this is plus acx plus 2cax, okay. So this is 1 2 3 4 4 to the 8 terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay. Ax square plus ax square minus ax square also getting cancelled, right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 4 to the 8, so is equal to 0. And then children, all are having two terms, and in every term x is also common. If you common 2x, so what are the other terms? Then it is x square. If you common 2x, this is bc, okay, and this is minus ab, and then this is plus ca, okay, right, equal to 0. So again by applying 0 property, okay, so 2x is equal to 0 or other term, that is say x square minus bc minus ab plus ca is equal to 0. Ca is equal to 0. So you take this. So 2x equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 by 2. From that x is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? It is given in fourth option, children. It is given in fourth option. So that's all for today's assignment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and keep working.